So here's my next little project. One of my friends had moved out of state, moved to Kentucky, and came back a couple years ago, and I recently asked him if he wanted his Vise back, and he said he's already got one, so he doesn't need it. We've been using it as a doggy anchor or paperweight for our little dog to keep him from running around when he's out here in the garage, so I'll have to figure out something else once I get this thing restored. I was chatting with a client about 2 weeks ago. He was born in Australia. He's a helicopter pilot, and he was going down there. He'll be back in about another 2.5 weeks, and he's going to go help fight the fires down there that they're having. And I thought this would be a nice welcome home present for him, because before he left, when we were talking, he said he had a workbench, but he didn't have a vise on it, and he'd like a vise, so I figured this would be nice for him. It's not in that bad a shape. It just has a little bit of surface rust. One of the screws were missing for the jaws. I've already went to the local Ace Hardware and picked up a new screw for him. Got some Rust-Oleum paint and primer. I'll repaint it the orange that it originally was, and let's get this restored. got all the pieces cleaned off and de-rusted with that evaporust. See, it does a fine job. When I took the handle off, these washers were all here, and I'm wondering if one of the washers didn't belong in there. I don't know, so I'm going to go out and get another washer just to put up front, because you can see the handle was rubbing into this area, so I'll put one there. And I've seen this on a few Vises where they don't paint this whole piece of metal. I don't know why, because this one that I have over here, the whole thing's painted, so I'm just gonna paint the whole thing. So let's get started with painting. I'll be using the Rust-Oleum paint and primer together. Got it all painted. There's a few more spots I'm gonna hit. Otherwise, it came out pretty good. There's some spots here and here, and then I didn't paint this, so I'll paint that as well. I realized though when I put it in here, probably the reason why this isn't painted is it gets scratched up, but maybe this portion won't, so that's probably why they don't paint the whole thing. So let me finish put a little bit more paint on it and let it sit, and then we'll assemble. Alrighty, I've got it all painted up. Let's start reassembling. Just going to put a little oil on the back here so maybe it won't stick to this fresh paint. just did a dry fit test with the washer out here. I added another washer, and it puts these two things too tight to the jaw of this. So I think maybe somebody might have worked on this. I think the heavier washer should go here, and the lighter washer should go on this part here, because all this is doing is just, you know, opening it up. This is the thing that's going to have more pressure on it. So I don't know if that's proper, but I think this really needs a washer in between this metal spot in here. Alright. I think that worked out quite well. The jaws definitely do open and close easier than they did before. So now I got to do is wait to get the soft jaws for it. But that's the finished project. On to the next project. Thanks for watching.